Let's jump back in time and talk to you about how you tackled the massive document dump and discovery with DocReviewPad.
Oh yeah. So when I first got this, I was like, all right, I'm about to drop the money in this iPad and I'm buying the suite. So I'm gonna go like full throttle to so I watched all the videos and then I saw a video on reviewing a big document dump and separating it into little PDFs, which are is necessary. And that's for whatever reason, when the defense produces documents, they give you like a 2,000 page PDF and can't do much with that. You got to break it apart. And I saw that on this one of those YouTube videos. So that was great. You can go through the documents. You can break the PDFs apart very easily with that feature at the top, and then you can label it. And then what you can do is, if you know you got to depose 10 witnesses, go through the documents and tag the witnesses that you're going to want to ask what the document and what witness you want to ask the doc for the document. And so that's what I did. And then you can generate they pull the documents and bring it over to TrialPad, which it was great. I mean, that's like for a big case where there's a bunch of documents, that's definitely worth it. The case I'm in today, wrongful death case, not that many documents, didn't need to do it, right? I could just drag them into TrialPad because there's only like 400 documents that are produced. But anytime there's like thousands of pages, the doc review pad is badass. I thought it's great, and we're using that. And that's part we're adding that to our procedure when we get these document dumps. Save it to File Explorer, save it to DocReviewPad, start processing on DocReviewPad. So that's where we're going. And then also, so that is definitely we use that all the time.